this is Avni. Oh wow, is this robot toy moving on its own? And it follows your command to draw a heart. Do you know what it is? Introducing Wizbot Maxx. In this video, we'll explore how it works and how to get started. Wizbot is a screen-free robot specially designed for kids age 4 to 10. It boosts logic, sequencing, coding and creative skills all through play. First, let's power up the Wizbot with this batteries. Slide this battery cover to this side. Then we will insert these 3 AAA batteries matching the plus and minus sign. So this is a plus sign and this one, the flat one, will be minus. The flat one always goes on the spring side. Flat one again on the spring side. Same with the third one. Now we will put the cover back in. So let's take a quick tour. On top, you'll find 9 colorful command buttons, 2 LED lights, and a pen holder to attach the sketch pen for drawing fun shapes. At the bottom, we've got 2 line following sensors, a buzzer, then a caster wheel, then 2 motors with wheels, the battery case, and a 3-way power switch with low battery indicator over here. With this, you can code in 2 ways, button coding and Picto Coding. So, to use button coding, turn your Wizbot and slide this power switch to this side. You'll see an orange light, which means Wizbot is now ready for screen-free play and you can do so many fun activities. And to level up, by sliding this power button to this side. For Picto Coding, the blue light tells you that Bluetooth is on and Wizbot is ready to connect with Junior blocks in Picto blocks. We will be learning button coding and Picto Coding in coming videos. Also, one quick tip. If you ever see this tiny red light, it means the battery is low. Time for replacement. So that's it. Your Wizbot Maxx is all powered up and ready for action. In the next video, we'll learn more about button coding. Till then, happy learning!